Why don't you go and show us this Maloo you got outside?
No probs, let's go for a walk.
So this is the beast, Nathan.
Yep, this is it.
So you just bought this, it's a bit of an R&D car.
It was an R&D car we bought a couple of years ago to do our own testing.
The LSA stuff's pretty popular.
We've got heads and blowers in every day for the LSAs.
I'm not real up to speed with the VFs. Is this a Series 1?
Series 2.
Series 2 Maloo. So the engine's still, the bottom end's still factory?
Bottom end's factory. It's obviously got camshaft in it. It's got our newly designed heads for 2018, and it's got our full port job on the blower. Obviously, that's actually a 108 throttle body that I've been testing, and then it's got the Harrop airbox and all the Harrop exhaust systems throughout the car, and Harrop upgrade pulleys.
So it still runs on pump unleaded?
Yeah, 100% 98.
No E85?
No E85.
And the camshaft, that's like a bit of a supercharger blower?
Yeah. It's one we've designed for the LSAs.
Yep. And you also said earlier this has got some of your spacer plates.
Yes, and also we just about to release our spacer plates. So they're actually, we've actually gone a little thicker in the lid spacers. We've gone to 12mm in the lid spacer, and we've reduced the head to manifold down to 8mm.
So what sort of boost is this running now?
Right now it's 15 pound, 15 to 16.
Yeah, so you're pushing that blower pretty hard?
Yeah.
But she's working.
It's just not getting an easy time.
Now, HPF did a bit of this work for you, didn't they?
Yeah, HPF fitted everything. They fitted all the heads, cams, done all the tuning, pretty much done the whole fitment.
So what sort of power has the car made at HPF?
On HPF's dyno went around 720.
720 horsepower. Now a lot of people say that hub dynos read a lot higher, so I'm thinking we take it to a hub dyno and see the difference.
Oh, well, let's jump in and let's go.
All right. Now you've had your fun with it, Nathan, but you're telling me that the car's up for sale.
Yeah, finished all the R&D I wanted to do with it, so now time to move on to something else and get rid of this one.
So anyone genuinely interested, give you a call?
Give me a call. It's got like 8,800 Ks on the clock. You know, it sits in the workshop, and that's about as far as it goes.
What year is it?
2016.
16. 8,800 Ks. You haven't even broken it in yet.